Hello, in this video we're going to be adding and subtracting numbers written in standard form. So the objective here is to add and subtract numbers written in standard form by rewriting them with the same power of 10. So the key idea is that you cannot add and subtract numbers in standard form unless the powers of 10 are exactly the same. So if they're not the same already, you can fix this by making them the same. So if we think of an example, so I know that 100 plus 200 is equal to 300. So 100 is 1 times 10 to the 2, and 200 is 2 times 10 to the 2. So 300 is 3 times 10 to the 2. So you can see here that 1 plus 2 makes 3, and the power of 10 part stays the same. So here are some examples. So firstly, we have 3.2 times 10 to the 5 and 4.1 times 10 to the 5. So we need to add them. So in this case, all we're going to do is 3.2 plus 4.1. And the reason we can do this is because the power of 10, so both of them have 10 to the power of 5. So we don't need to change anything there. So 3.2 plus 4.1, that's going to be 7.3, so that stays like that. And then I'm just going to put times 10 to the 5 because that's the same for both of them. So this next one, we have 5.6 times 10 to the 6, add 2.4 times 10 to the 5. So this time, the power of 10 is not the same. We have 10 to the power of 6 over here and 10 to the power of 5 over here. So we need to do something to make them the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust this one. So I'm going to make this something times 10 to the power of 6. So to make this 10 to the power of 6, I've made 10 to the power of 5 10 times bigger. So in order for it to be the same number, we need to make the other number 10 times smaller. So this is going to become 0.24 times 10 to the power of 6. So really what we're doing is we're adding 5.6 times 10 to the 6 with 0.24 times 10 to the 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 5.6 with 0.24. So 5.6 plus 0.24, that's 5.84. And then the power of 10 stays the same, so it's 5.84 times 10 to the power of 6. This next one here, so we have 7.2 times 10 to the 4, take away 3.8 times 10 to the 3. So again, I'm going to adjust this one. So I'm going to make it times 10 to the power of 4. So I'm going to make the power of 10 10 times bigger. So I'm going to make the 3.8 10 times smaller. So it's going to be 0.38. So I'm doing 7.2 take away 0.38. So that is 6.82. And then the 10 to the power of 4 just stays the same. So it's going to be 6.82 times 10 to the power of 4. So I didn't have to change the 3.8 times 10 to the 3. I could have changed 7.2 times 10 to the 4 to make that 10 to the power of 3 by making 7.2 10 times bigger. However, the answer there would not have been in standard form, and so we'd have had to just change it so that it is in standard form. So you're allowed to do that, it's absolutely fine, but it does just require that extra step at the end to make sure the number is in standard form. So here are some quickfire practice questions on this topic. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, so well done if you managed to have a go at those. I've just displayed the answers on the screen, and that's everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!